Good evening and welcome to University News Night. I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be talking to Stuart McGowan, a very busy student who handles a life at home with two small boys whilst getting his real estate degree in the real world. Stuart works ridiculously hard to maintain a life at home with his wife and his children whilst balancing all his university work. I spoke to him earlier on today to discuss how exactly he manages this and how he time manages his life at home. So Stuart, being at University of the West of Scotland whilst doing your real estate stuff, how do you manage both of them?
Well, it's good that I've got the office. There's girls in the office that can take sort of messages and that when I'm in class, because the difficulty of being here, because it's sort of soundproof, is you can't get a reception for the phone. So they can take messages and they'll send me texts or emails if people are looking for me. And that's sort of 2 to 3 days a week. So it's really all about having a team round about you that can support you, and obviously having a team at home that can support you as well. With that team at home, I know your wife is also at University of the West doing psychology. Yes. How do you manage the pair of you being at university and having two boys? Well, it's worked out really well because she's in a Monday and then I'm in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and she's in half day on Thursday as well, and then she's in Friday. So the way that our days are complementing each other, it really means that we've got somebody there all the time for the boys, and obviously I've still got mum and dad to help out as well, so it's excellent. So do your mum and dad help out on holidays and things like that? Yeah. As well, or do you do a lot with the boys in the holidays? I try and do a lot with the boys and obviously balance it off with my mum and dad as well, because obviously you want to be trying to write your essays and making sure you're keeping ahead with your work so that you're getting that in time as well. Yeah. Because the worst thing in the world, if you're not planning, then you're falling behind. So it's really just organising yourself. Do you make a schedule to keep yourself organised on a daily basis? Yeah, not always keep to it right enough, but you always kind of try and sort of plan ahead, and if you plan ahead, then hopefully you can get things done. For instance, if you've got an essay coming up, then you can get all the research done and then sort of have time to write the essay in good time and get it in and submitted. But when it comes to your essay, would you advise students in general, but mature students, to kind of work to the same idea of keeping a schedule, so with the kids and everything, you don't miss out? Yeah, definitely. Again, you still have to spend time with your family, so it's really having the balance of spending time with them during the day, and it might mean that you need to work a wee bit late into the night, but if you do an hour every sort of night, then it gives you the time to make sure that you're progressing forward. Do you feel that at the end of this your degree is going to help you with your boys and take them on into kind of careers into the same thing, or would you like them to stay out of it? Well, at the end of the day, I think it's something that they're already involved in, so hopefully that I can help them and point them in the right direction with what I've learned here, but working with the cameras and things like that, then will stand them in good stead. Good. And lastly, do you enjoy this course here, being one of few mature students in your class? It must be difficult. Yeah, it's good. At the end of the day, I think I'm the kind of dad of the group, so at the end of the day, it's good to sort of spend time and do different things with them. But I enjoy it. It's definitely challenging, but it's worthwhile. Good. As we can see, anybody can do it. Young, old, or in between, you can come to university and still manage your workload, have kids, and manage a career outside. Stuart's a perfect example of this, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of other mature students who want to come back to university could look at him and say, I can do that as well. So I thank Stuart and pretty much every other mature student out there for showing that everybody can give it a go. Thank you for watching. I'm Rebecca.